Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject reasoning. Chapter number 14, mirror image. Lecture number 16. So beta, what is mirror image? A mirror image in a plane mirror is a reflected duplication of an object that appears almost identical but is reversed in the direction perpendicular to the mirror surface. मिरर इमेज क्या होती है बेटा? मिरर मीन्स होता है शीशा, ठीक है। तो मिरर इमेज मीन्स जो इमेज हमें मिरर में दिखाई देती है, प्लेन मिरर जिसमें हम लोग अपना फेस देखते हैं, ठीक है, दैट इज मिरर। और मिरर इमेज जो है वो क्या होती है? इज अ रिफ्लेक्टेड डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट। वो बिल्कुल डुप्लीकेट होती है उस ऑब्जेक्ट की जो ऑब्जेक्ट हम मिरर में देखते हैं। दैट appears almost identical, वो एक जैसा लगता है बट इज रिवर्स इन द डायरेक्शन, ठीक है, लेकिन वो क्या होता है? उसका उल्टा होता है, परपेंडिकुलर टू द मिरर सरफेस, ठीक है। वो हमें मिरर सरफेस में कैसे दिखाई देता है बेटा? जैसे जो लेफ्ट पोर्शन होता है वो हमें राइट में दिखाई देता है और जो राइट पोर्शन होता है वो हमें लेफ्ट में दिखाई देता है। अंडरस्टूड? सो लेट्स सी विद एन एग्जांपल। नाउ बेटा, in this example we can see that there is an object of shape, ठीक है बेटा, यहाँ पे हमें एक शेप दिखाई दे रही है। now we have to see it in the mirror, ठीक है, और हमें बताना है कि मिरर में देखने पर ये इमेज हमें कैसी नजर आएगी। so here we have some options. in A it is like this, in B like this, C this and D this. okay, now we have to find out which option is correct. तो बेटा मैम ने आपको बताया था अभी कि जब हम मिरर में कोई इमेज देखते हैं तो जो चीज हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे होती है वो हमारे राइट हैंड साइड पे नजर आती है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर इस इमेज के अंदर यहाँ पर एक सर्कल दिखाई दे रहा है जो हमें इस रेक्टेंगुलर शेप के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे नजर आ रहा है, बट व्हेन वी विल सी इट इन द मिरर देन इट विल मूव टू द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ। ओके, सो लेट्स सी, लाइक दिस इट विल अपीयर, ठीक है, ये हमें इस तरह से दिखाई देगा। सो विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट फ्रॉम दिस? इट इज बी। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। ओके बेटा, so like this you have to find out that which type of image we can see in the mirror. So today's homework is, in question number 1 it is given this shape, okay, and this is the mirror. Now you have to find out that which option is correct, the slipping line, slanting line, this slanting line or this slanting line. Okay, now in question number 2 it is given this arrow and here is the mirror. Now we have to find out that which option is the correct, A, B, C or D. Okay, number 3 it is given this arrow and there is a mirror. Okay, now there are options. In A it is like this, B, C and D. Now you have to find out which mirror image is correct. Now in question number 4 this this triangle is given. Now here is the mirror. Okay, now you have to see which option is correct when we will see the mirror image of this triangle, this one or this one. Now in question number 5 it is given this image. Now you have to find out which option is correct, A, B, C or D. Understood beta? Now homework solution of chapter number 13, number series 2, lecture number 15. So I had given you sums beta. So let's see. In question number 1 I had given you complete series is given 12, 24 and 36 and incomplete series are 60, 72 and dash. Now our options is A 84, B 85, C 61 and D 48. Now we have to find out that which option is correct. So I told you earlier that first of all we have to find out the difference between first two numbers. So according to the given complete series, difference between numbers is 24 minus 12 is 12 and 36 minus 24 is 12. हमने 24 में से 12 को माइनस किया तो हमारा आंसर 12 आ रहा है बेटा. 36 में से जब हमने 24 को माइनस किया तो भी हमारा आंसर क्या आ रहा है? 12. Okay, and numbers are in increasing order. So now to find out the next series, we have to add 12 to the 72. Okay, so in this you can see 60 plus 12 is equal to 72 and 72 plus 12 is equal to 84. So it means option A is correct. Okay, so we will write here 84. Now in question number 2, it was given complete series 14, 28 and 42 and incomplete series 56 dash and 84. And options are A 83, B 70, C 84 and D 72. Now we have to find out this. First of all, we know the difference between first two numbers. Okay, so here the difference between first two numbers are 14 and the next two numbers are also 14. So we can write it according to the given complete series. Difference between numbers is 28 minus 14, 14 and 42 minus 28, 14. Now to find out the incomplete series, next incomplete series, we have to add 14 to 56. So when we add 56 plus 14, that is equal to 70 and 70 plus 14 is equal to 84. So we can say that option B is correct. Okay, 70. Now in question number 3, complete series 16, 14 and 12 and incomplete series 10, dash and dash. Now beta, you can see that in this question we have options A 11 and 9, B 10 and 8, C 9 and 7 and D 8 and 6. Now we have to find out the correct option. Okay, and you can see 16, 14, 12. The numbers are in decreasing order. Okay, and to find out the decreasing order numbers, we have to subtract the numbers. So first of all, we will subtract 16 minus 14 and that is equal to 2 and 14 minus 12 is also equal to 2. So according to the given complete series, difference between numbers is 16 minus 14 2 and 14 minus 12 2. Now to find out the next numbers, we have to subtract 2 from 10 and when we subtract 2 from 10 we get 8 and when we subtract 2 from 8 we get 6. Okay, so here numbers are in descending order, so we will use subtraction. Okay, therefore using the given series 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So option D is correct. Okay, option D. In question number 4, it is given complete series 50, 45 and 40, incomplete series dash 10 and 5. So here the options are A 15, B 35, C 51 and D 10. Now to find out the difference, we will subtract 45 from 50. So we get 5 and 40 from 45 again 5. So according to the given complete series, difference between numbers is 50 minus 45 5 and 45 minus 40 is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the right hand side number of 10. So here we have to add 5 to 10. Understood? So numbers are in descending order, so we will use subtraction, but here we have to find the number to the right of the 10. So we will add 10 plus 5 and that is equal to 15. So option A is correct. Understood बेटा? यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है बेटा, यहाँ पर हमें दिया हुआ था डैश फिर 10 फिर 5, तो 5 में जब हमने 5 ऐड किया तो हमारे पास 10 आ गया, और 10 में जब हम 5 ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, 15. ओके, now in question number 5 it is given complete series 10, 20 and 30, incomplete series 15 dash and 35, and options are A 15, B 20, C 25 and D 30. Now beta, to find out this, first of all we will find out the difference between 20 minus 10 and 30 minus 20. According to the given complete series, difference between numbers is 20 minus 10 10 and 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So beta, both difference are same and that is 10. So to find out the incomplete series, we have to add 15 plus 10 because here the numbers are in increasing order. Okay, so numbers are in increasing order, so we will use addition. Okay, therefore using the given series, 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 and 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. So here the correct answer is option C, 25. Understood? Thank you.